Glycos is a Greek word meaning sweet. This word is where we get the word glucose, which is our most simple monosaccharide that is very abundant in the world and in our bodies. So glucose is a type of monosaccharide that's very commonly available in all of our food sources. So we can find this in fruits, carbohydrates, etc. So when we digest something like a carbohydrate, so say a starch for example, we need to break down those polysaccharides into something more simple. So those polysaccharides would be like this, but they're trying to fit in our bodies like this. So we need to break these polysaccharides down. So say we had starch, so 3 saccharides. That's basically 3 glucose molecules bonded together. So we would break apart those glucose molecules, and so each one of those smaller glucose molecules could fit and be digested much easier. So we use glucose for cellular respiration. There are 2 types of cellular respiration. We have anaerobic and aerobic. In anaerobic respiration, we use 1 glucose molecule to get only 2 ATP molecules that we can use for energy. We also get a waste product called lactic acid. However, when we use aerobic respiration, we get between 30 and 32 ATP molecules. So this is a much more efficient way of gaining energy. Our glucose molecule is built up of 6 carbons, 6 oxygens, and 12 hydrogens. The hydrogens are white, we have 12 of those, and then we have our carbons, which are black, and our oxygens, which are orange, which again, we have 6 of each of these. These are all covalently bonded and electronegativity of 0. So glucose is one of the most important things that we can have in our bodies. It helps us to sustain ourselves. We wouldn't be able to function, whether it be our brain function or moving around, like I'm moving my arms right now. We wouldn't be able to do anything that we do. And it's a process for our bodies to break down things like polysaccharides, but we always break them into glucose because they're very important for our bodies and they're very important for maintaining us.